Let me show you how you can block and unblock a phone number as well as a contact on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So first let's go to the phone app. If you have a phone number saved in contacts that you want to block, then we can tap on the contact and then we can scroll all the way down in order to find block numbers option. So if you tap on it, then you can confirm that you want to block it, and additionally you can also report the phone number as spam. So we're gonna press block, and there we go. The phone number is now blocked, the whole contact is blocked. And if you want to unblock the contact, then you have the option to unblock it over here as well. And that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna go to recent. So if someone tried to call you or you were calling them or something, regardless, if you have the phone number in recent, then what you can do is press and hold your finger on the contact, and then you have the option to also block the number, and there we go. Once again, we can report call as spam or not, and then choose to block. And if you want to unblock the number, if you can still find it in recent in the future, then you can press and hold your finger on the recent call, and then you can unblock it here as well. And there's also one more way to block and unblock a phone number, and that is by going to the top right corner. We can tap on these three dots, and then we can choose settings. Now we can move to blocked numbers, and then here we have the list of blocked numbers. We can press add a number over here, and then we can enter the phone number in this field, and we can press block, and there we go. The phone number that we entered is now blocked. If you want to remove the phone number from the list of blocked contacts, then of course we can press this X on the right side next to the phone number. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!